Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on RHEL 9.5. The process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, so first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter. See, on 21st November 2024 PostgreSQL 17.2 is released. Okay, and PostgreSQL is most advanced open source relational database. Click on download, click on Linux, then select the Red Hat, RHEL or Alma Linux. Click on it. See, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, RHEL Linux, Alma Linux, CentOS 7 and 6 only. RHEL Linux and Fedora. Select the version. See, we have the latest version is 17 and select the platform RHEL 9. Select the version, select the platform based on your OS. Then once you selected, see, it has populated list of the commands to be executed to install the PostgreSQL. So copy the first one, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Now enable the inbuilt PostgreSQL module. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now install Ctrl L. Now install PostgreSQL. Sudo dnf install -y install PostgreSQL 17-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.2 and also it is going to install these dependencies. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17. Now we have to initialize the database. Copy this command. Paste it, hit enter. Now check the status of PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17 and hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is installed but it is not started and disabled. So first enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres. PSQL is the client tool. Okay. Now verify the PostgreSQL server version. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2. This is PSQL client version. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is super user. Okay. Set the password, alter user Postgres with password. We have successfully set the password for this user. Ctrl L. Now verify list of databases. \shell. See, we have only these 3 databases. Those comes with installation of PostgreSQL 17. Let's create a database. Create database R2schools. \shell. See here we have the new database R2schools. You can also get the database names by running the command dat name. Select dat name from pg_database. See, we have these databases. Let us switch to this new database by using \c or \connect. Both are same. Then provide the database name. Put semicolon. See, we have successfully connected to database R2schools as user Postgres. Let us create a table in this database. Before that, verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table student sname int verify again. See, we have one table. It is created in the schema public and table name is student. Okay, owner is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data, select star from student. See, we have inserted 3 rows. If we give star means it retrieves all the column values. But if you want only like column values, we can give like as name like this. We can give the in select query. See, okay. If you want only particular as column, as name column, just give single column. Okay. Now let us create a user. Create user James with password. Verify again. See, we have created a user. Now we will connect to Postgres with this user. To quit from PSQL, we have to give \q. Now connect PSQL -caps u, then provide the username -p -h, then localhost, hit enter, then provide the password of this new user. See, we have successfully connected. So verify current user. See, we have connected with the user James. Now try to create a table in this database. Create table tt. See, we are unable to create because permission denied for schema public. So we just created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. So to create or do anything, we have to grant privileges in this database on the schema. You can go through my channel. There you can find how to grant and revoke privileges to user in PostgreSQL. So exit PSQL. Now we will see config file locations. Show config_file. This file contains PostgreSQL configuration files, PostgreSQL configuration information. See, this is the location and this is the PostgreSQL.conf is the file name, and HBA file show HBA_file. This file contains host-based authentication rules. Okay, the last option that I am going to show you is how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on RHEL 9.5. Exit with this user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17.service. Hit enter. Now verify status. See, PostgreSQL services stopped. Q to quit. Now start it again. Again verify. See, we have started. And also notice here, this is the data directory. And these are the list of the backend processes for the PostgreSQL server. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl, just give restart. Then PostgreSQL -17.2 hit enter, verify again. See, we have restarted or started 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have performed actions on PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL by using PgAdmin and DBeaver. I am not going to show you how to connect PostgreSQL by using PgAdmin for and DBeaver. For those two, you can go through this video description. There you can find how to install PgAdmin for and DBeaver. Then there you will be able to see how to connect to PostgreSQL. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on RHEL 9.5. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.